My name is John Mark Comparat. I am a mature student on the Level 2 City and Guilds Engineering course at Coeg Gwent. This course was perfect for me as a mature student, being part-time, having hands-on experience from sort of real-world tutors who've got lots and lots of experience within the field of engineering. I approached a different engineering apprenticeship school and they were sort of pushing me towards a degree apprenticeship programme. However, Coeg Gwent offered me, via an open day, a much more practical course rather than just a theoretical knowledge of engineering. So the hands-on skills as well as the theoretical knowledge blend really well and seamlessly in this particular environment. And from what I can gather from my employer, who also attended Coeg Gwent, it's just much more beneficial in industry than just having the theoretical degree level knowledge. I definitely recommend a part-time course to anybody thinking to change your career or learn a new skill. Depending on your own individual needs, they're able to tailor modules and courses to meet that need. So I would definitely recommend coming to an open day if you can.